Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China is essentially ignoring COP26, responding to immediate pressures, not the least of which is the crowning of Xi as an effective emperor. But first, in the US, it's becoming clear that this year the specials on offer for the retail events Black Friday and Cyber Monday aren't going to be the discounts. They're going to be that there is something to buy. The supply chain issues are seriously crimping availability there. In China, Evergrande did make those late payments we mentioned yesterday. A German investor filed proceedings, but now they're paid. That probably pushes the default risk back somewhat. But other Chinese property developers face the same pressures. The latest, Kaiser. Chinese property developer fundraising slumped at the fastest pace this year in October, even after the government urged financial institutions to meet the real estate sector's reasonable funding needs. But their banks are providing more funds for mortgages, and that saw an uptick in residential real estate demand in October, perhaps a lifeline for those developers. It's also clear that China isn't signing up to the restrictions on its use of coal, despite the deal with the US at COP26. Their shortage of coal to meet current demand has global implications. Urea is a byproduct and a key fertiliser in India, and other byproducts include diesel ingredients used for trucking in South Korea, for example. Locally, they mined 12 million tonnes yesterday, a new daily record. In the world of shipping, there was little change last week in the cost of shipping containers by sea, and the Baltic Dry Index has also stopped falling. But the iron ore price has sunk further, however, in the long perspective, only back to April 2020 levels. Still, it will hurt Australia, shaving $3 billion off their tax revenues there. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.57% and up 2 basis points since this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today up $8 to $1,862 an ounce, and a 5-month high. And oil prices are softer by about $1.50 and are now at just over $79.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $81.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today giving up more than its recent gains and back to 70.3 US cents with a more than a 0.5 cent fall. Against the Australian dollar were unchanged at 96.3 Australian cents, however, and against the euro were softish at 61.3 euro cents. That means our trade weight index starts today at 74.5. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.